In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Shopee shop. Running an online store is an exciting venture, but there may come a time when you need to take a break or close down. Whether you're taking a well-deserved vacation or pivoting your business strategy, Shopee provides a simple way to temporarily close your shop by utilizing the vacation mode feature. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Shopee Philippines website. This is where all the magic starts. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice there's quite a bit going on, but don't let it distract you. Your next move is to log into your account. This brings us to the login process. Once you're ready, click on the login button typically found at the top of the page. Shopee offers a variety of ways to log in for your convenience, including using your Google account, which is our recommended method for a seamless experience. By selecting Google, you'll then be prompted to click on your account from the list provided if you're already signed into Google, making the process quick and straightforward. Following your successful login, you'll be asked to click Continue to proceed to your account. This step is crucial as it verifies your intention to access your Shopee seller account and all its features. Once you're logged in, your attention should shift to the Seller Center, which you can navigate to by clicking the relevant option located at the top left corner of your screen. This is where you, as a seller, have access to all the tools and settings needed to manage your shop effectively. Upon entering the Seller Center, you're going to want to find the Menu Center, which is conveniently located at the top right. This menu is your gateway to a wide array of settings and options to manage your store. One of those options is Shop Setting, which you'll need to click on next. Here you can adjust various parameters of your shop, but more importantly, it's where you can access the vacation mode setting. In the shop setting menu, look for vacation mode among the list of settings. It might take a moment to find, so take your time. Once located, clicking on vacation mode will take you to a new page dedicated to this feature. Now for the crucial part, to initiate the closing of your shop temporarily, you'll want to turn on vacation mode by selecting the appropriate option. This action essentially puts your shop into hibernation, making your products and store invisible to customers until you decide to return. After turning on vacation mode, you'll be prompted to click Proceed to confirm this action. It's a safeguard to ensure that no shop goes on vacation accidentally. Once confirmed, your shop will be set to vacation mode, effectively closing your store to the public for the duration. And there you have it. You've successfully put your Shopee shop on a temporary hiatus using vacation mode. It's straightforward, and you can reverse the process just as easily when you're ready to open your doors once again. Remember, taking a break is essential, and Shopee makes sure your business doesn't suffer while you're away. You can now enjoy your break without worrying about managing your online shop. When you're ready to come back, just turn off vacation mode, and your shop will be up and running again, ready for business. Thank you for watching. Whether you're taking time off or rethinking your business plan, I hope this guide helps you manage your Shopee shop more effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.